Jamie at shopmasc.com, and welcome to another MASC Minute. So I was going to show to you today a few products from Alchemist. They have a few different mists. It's hard to hold three, but I'm going to try without dropping them. So those are the three mists that they make. There's the Detox Hydro Mist, the Anti-Pollution Mist, and then just the basic old Hydro Mist. So Hydro Mist, they can be used in a couple different ways. You could use it as a toner, so after cleansing, before moisturizing in serums. Just spritz it onto the face if you want, if you don't want to bother with a cotton pad, and it's going to provide you with the benefits of a toner. Or you could just use it as a hydration treatment throughout the day. If you're traveling a lot, they can really help to boost the hydration levels of the skin. Each one contains slightly different ingredients. So the Hydro Mist, the Detox Hydro Mist contains a few ingredients that help to protect the skin against blue light emissions. And then the Anti-Pollution Mist helps to protect against environmental pollution as well as digital emissions. And then the Hydro Mist is more sort of anti-aging hydration focused, but they all have anti-aging and hydration properties to them. So super light, nice and refreshing, very small, so they travel nicely too. Basically it's just a little spray like this, and you close your eyes and it sprays a super fine mist on your face. Feels kind of nice and refreshing, especially if it's hot. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little pick-me-up or a quick and easy toner if you don't want to be bothered with using a cotton pad, then this is a great alternative. Check them out, shopmasc.com, the Alchemist mists, and of course in our store in Vancouver as well. Thanks for listening.